Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add coins to your order directly from your smartphone. If you're looking to save some extra money, using coins can be a great way to get discounts. So let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website and make sure you are logged in with your account. Now go to the home page of the AliExpress website. Here you can see the home option at the bottom left, tap on it. In the home page, you can see the coin section over here, tap on it. In this page, you'll see your available coins in your account. You can earn coins daily by logging into it and maintaining the streak. Now in order to add coins to your order, you need to first explore through the products and add it to your cart. And if you like any products, add it to the cart. And after that, in order to add coins to that order, in this page, you can see the option use coins for discounts, and right beside that there is a button discount finder, tap on it. And here you can see the products listed in your shopping cart, tap on this product. In this page you will see the coupons and discount section, tap on it. Now with the available coins in your account, you are just eligible for 10% off, so you can use this to get a discount in your order. So that's it, that's how you can use coins to place order in AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.